on, Newton. What's on, baby? Did you go in for a neutering today? Did you? Aww. I know, baby. Okay.
What did they do to you?
Won't jump. Ruin that one.
Jumping. Come here, honey. Come here. It's okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? What did they do to you, baby girl? Tell Mom what happened. Tell me. Who did that? Did Daddy do it?
No.
Did Daddy take you to the doctor? Hmm? I told him not to.
I'm sorry.
I told Daddy don't take him. I told him. Oh, sorry, honey. Oh, I know. Did it hurt? Yeah.
I'm sorry, Newton. I had to. I didn't want you going out there knocking up any pretty little girls. Oh, I know.
Hey, but Dad, they pulled my teeth out.
Oh.
Tell him.
Well, they had to pull the teeth out. You don't want to get infected. Where were you going?
Tell him that Mom will fix me. I tried this morning, Newton. I tried. Tell Daddy, Daddy hurt. I know.
No, don't lick it.
Where?
No.
Did they do that right there?
Oh,
It's
okay.
okay. Daddy, it hurts. Huh. What happened down there? What happened? What did they do?
Great.
Come
Great. You licked his open nutsack and you licked your face.
on.
Oh,
You
Lily.
You get a free pass this time, Newton.
How about Lily? Lily.
What happened, Lily?
What happened to brother? Huh? What happened to Newton? Did Newton get his balls cut off? Huh? Huh?
Lily.
Who did it, Lily? Did I do it? Are those accusing looks in your eyes?
Who did it, Lily? You see brother?
Oh. Okay, well, he's back to his old self there.
She's so dumb. What happened? What happened to brother, huh?